What is a loan shark? Loan sharks are known for their predatory practices and unethical behavior. They target vulnerable individuals or those who cannot obtain loans through traditional means, due to bad credit or limited financial resources. They often take advantage of people's desperation and lack of options. Loan sharks typically operate outside the legal financial lending system. They do not follow the regulations and guidelines set by regulatory authorities. As a result, they can charge exorbitant interest rates, sometimes reaching several 100% annually. These loan sharks often employ aggressive and intimidating tactics to collect their money. They may resort to threats, harassment, and even violence to ensure repayment. Borrowers are often trapped in a cycle of debt, struggling to repay the exorbitant interest charges, while the principal loan amount remains largely untouched. To combat the issue of loan sharks, many governments have implemented strict laws and regulations to protect consumers. Licensed lenders are subjected to these regulations to ensure fair lending practices and reasonable interest rates. Borrowers are encouraged to seek out legitimate financial institutions or credit providers that operate within the legal framework. In cases where individuals have borrowed money from loan sharks, it is important to remember that they have no legal obligation to repay the debt. Since these lenders typically operate outside the law, they have no legal recourse to enforce repayment. It is advisable for borrowers to report loan sharks to the appropriate authorities such as the police or consumer protection agencies, to help prevent others from falling victim to their exploitative practices. In summary, loan sharks are individuals or entities that offer loans at extremely high interest rates, often using threats and violence to collect debts. They operate outside the legal financial system and target vulnerable individuals. It is important to avoid borrowing from loan sharks and instead seek out legitimate and regulated lenders for financial assistance. Follow for more.